I can't shit. Forget it.
You're fucking drunk,
Make something up.
Chocolate song?
Okay, do you know who Alice?
Thought that moose was an animal. Rocky Road was just a rough place to ride. Black Forest was somewhere very far away. And Chip was a good friend of mine.
I do remember this.
Well, I developed quite a craving and your lowest. Wait, you gotta sing the high part.
Well, I developed
Quite a craving and your lowest hearing raving about a certain food that's high in calories.